Welcome to DIY Pinterest-worthy stocking. This one's going to be a 3-part series. First, you need a pattern. You can find any free pattern online or make your own. And then you're just going to assemble that pattern. This one came with 3 pieces. And then start cutting out. This I'm using for my lining. This is a cream-colored terry knit fabric. And for this one, I've cut 2 of the lining. Next, I decided to use this square patterned fleece fabric. And then I rotated my pattern to a 45-degree angle because I think this will just be a lot more flattering for the stocking. Once you get that cut out, just make sure that you have 2 of them. And then I decided that I wanted a fuzzy cuff just to get that real Pinterest vibe look. So I cut out 4 cuff pieces, 2 of my outside fabric, 2 of my lining, and then you do need a piece to hang the stocking. Starting with the outer fabric of the stocking, lay the 2 right sides together, and then we're just going to stitch all the way around. Because this is fleece, be careful when you are stitching all the way around the outside. Make sure that your fabric is not walking around on you. So just keep in mind as you're going around curves that you're keeping those 2 edges even at all times. You may need to increase the gauge on your needle for thick fabric. I would recommend at least a 12 or a 14 for the project. Next, we're going to get that lining fabric together. The lining fabric is going to be easier to sew because it's thinner, but depending on what lining fabric you picked, these can be slippery, so make sure that your edges stay lined up all the way around the project. For the rest of this tutorial and to finish our stocking, go to part 2.